Today I'm doing a second video about the great guitar, which is the one I'm playing right now. It's a Enya inspired guitar, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna go deeper. I'm gonna show you how to control this mini foot switch pedal that come with this guitar. It has an app that come with it that will allow you to create your own preset and save it, and you can play live. So let's get into it. First of all, we're gonna download the app and install it on your phone. Then after that, I'll show you how to control it, and you can, with the app, you can edit your sound, and there's a lot of preset that come already with the app, and there's so many features you can do with the app. This is the app. We're gonna, it's, if you have Android or iPhone, it's come with both. It's not a problem. We're gonna go to the Apple Store, and as you can see, I'm gonna download this one, say Enya Music. That's the one we're gonna need because I have it already. So it's a blue app. It's kind of, it has a Leaf logo. So we're gonna open it, right? So when you open it, this is what you see. There's a bunch of features. You can use the drum machine. The example, you want to play something like you play, you know, this is the beat you can play, and you can play over it. You got the metronome. You got a tuner. You can tune your guitar. Okay, but what we need down, we're gonna go to the, when you go to that section, it tell you all different series guitar from Enya Music. You got Inspire, you got a Sonic, you got a ESP, all stuff. But me, I'm using the Inspire guitar. Because I'm using the Inspire guitar, so I'm gonna choose the one I'm using. This is the guitar I'm using. And I just say the connect. Now it's looking for the mini pedal board, and you have to do, that's it. And now it's gonna load all the preset that come with the app. Now we are in the preset section. I already create 4 presets. I'm gonna go through it with you, but I'm gonna show you something. Every time you change the preset, it changes in the pedal also. You see, if I go to overdrive, it changes in the preset. If I go to distortion, it changes. If I go to the high gain, it changes. So basically, it's control the foot pedal. So now let's try to, I create a preset. This is a clean sound. What you can do with the app, you can edit the preset. Let's say you want to edit this one. This is the amp. You can lower the volume if it's so. You can go to the EQ, do the equalizer. You can whatever do some change, and it give you some other effects like that's the gate. You got delay. You got the reverb. If you want to have more reverb, more decay. Okay, so this is how you can control any preset. I'm not gonna save this. Let's go to the second one, which is it's a chorus. What I have in this preset, let's say I have a preamp which is a clean Deluxe preamp. Then I think I have an EQ. I got a chorus on it. If you want to modify the chorus, you can give it more depth. Then I think I have a delay on it. You can control your delay. It's really nice if you want to have more delay. It's a very nice app also. It's help you to create your own sound, and then you can save it to the pedal board. Let's try another one. I'm not going to save this one because I already saved it. This is like kind of a Corns drive. And the last one is high gain. Okay, let's say what I have in this preset. I have this is a preamp. It's called a 100 distortion. I think I have a gate also. And also I have a delay on it. But if I want, I can add more effects into it. I can have a reverb, I can add a chorus, I can have a flanger, whatever, because the app gives you this option. You can add so many effects on it. Okay, thank you again for watching this tutorial about the mini Footswitch pedal guitar from the Enya music. Don't forget also, if you like to purchase this guitar, you'll find all the information, all the links are in the description of this video. Check it out. See you. Bye.